Hey friends, if the camera is missing or not showing in device manager on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update all drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, click on optional updates. If you see any driver updates here, just install them. But if you are using a third party camera, not your laptop's camera, then you will have to reinstall the driver first. Okay, and this will actually solve the problem. I'll tell you later why. Search for device manager, open device manager, keep your camera connected, expand cameras, right click on the unnecessary drivers, select uninstall device. Even for the webcam, uninstall the device. Okay, wait, and then remove it, and then click on action, and then click on scan for hardware changes. Now it will eliminate any camera that was not available, and if your camera is connected to your system, then it will push in the right drivers after you reinstall it. I mean, when you click on scan for hardware changes. But that is if you already have those drivers. For example, I need the EOS webcam drivers for my system, but I don't have them. So I will go to the EOS webcam utility page. The problem is that with all of these utility pages, there are a lot of options. This is the pro one, then I have the usual one, then I have the European one. So there's a lot of confusion about it. I won't comment on which one is right. It depends upon the brand. So please contact your camera manufacturer for the correct drivers. And lastly, you can run the hardware troubleshooter. So the command is msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Press the Windows key and the R key together, paste it here, and then click on OK. And then click on next, and it will detect problems and resolve them if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.